Okay, I'm going to do Zarbag's Gits, and now they are push fit models. The only thing is really because they are push fit, it shouldn't really take that much time to put them together. Say that in a hopeful way. However, one thing that I have noticed is there's quite a few different models. So I think the way I'm going to put them together is I'm going to start off by doing Zarbag. Zarbag himself. And then once I put him together, I'll do different videos depending on how complex the models are. So some of the models are just cut them out and put them on the base. But I'm going to start with Zarbag in this video. So you can see we've actually got quite a big sprue here, and we're going to find, to begin with, parts 1, 2 and 3, which is starting off with this one. Oh, I said I hope this is going to be quite an easy build. It's number 3. And then finally number 2. Now where's number 2? Simple place. I can't find it. There it is over here. Now, as I've learnt from experience, you shouldn't really need to glue push fit models as a rule, but one thing I sometimes dislike about push fit models is you get quite bad gaps in places if they don't fit together perfectly. So we shall see what happens as we go along here. Okay. Now, as a lot of you are probably aware if you watch my videos on how I build things and any kind of review videos that I do, I love anything that's kind of grotty and, you know, anything goblinoid in appearance. So this kind of kit I just absolutely adore. So what I'm really hoping for is no horrible gaps making me kind of feel really miserable. Still stuck using my rubbish cutters at the moment because I can't find a good new pair. Good cutters when I got them, but unfortunately after so much usage they've started wearing out. Anyway, there we go. So this should be nice and simple, but I'm just going to try my best to kind of do a dry fit. Now, good thing is those two body parts, although they're going to be held together by pins in the end, to begin with, there's no pin there. Now that's usually a good thing because the more pins on a push fit, the worse I actually find they tend to be. And then we get the head and we push it all together. And look at that, that is just so nice and simple. Yep, nothing really problematic at putting those together. And you can see there's no gaps or anything. So I'm very pleased about that. Normally push fit models can be terrible for having split parts. Now number 5 over on this side. Then this, now let's just make sure this is going on the right way. So this hand is going to pop into here. The reason, I just want to check this as well, because that hand's going to go into there, but it's pretty obvious that this all kind of pops down into the base as well. So we need to get the base part out, which is number 4. So let me find that. Over here. And then, where are we now? Number 6, to add a few mushrooms. Let me just check how these go together now. So we've got the 2 foot pins coming in like this, pushing downwards. We've got this set of mushrooms over here. And then this hand, the hand gets stable, you know, kind of popped into there, but it's also got to get pushed down onto this as well. So we've got to push that and then just pop that in, and he's done. Good thing about that is if you are struggling later on painting, you should be able to sort of just pop this hand off and get between the, so that's a positive thing I suppose sometimes about a push of it. Isn't he gorgeous? I love him. He's great. He's absolutely fantastic. He's just so charming. I don't know. I just find him completely awesome. Such a simple little model, and yet just full of character. Can't wait to paint the eye. Actually, well, I'm dreading painting the eye because it's like this big bulging thing, but also it's going to be really cool. Okay, I think what I'll do there is I'm just going to end that video because I think, you know what, sometimes it's just good to build one model at a time and really appreciate how cool they are. And I think in my next video I'll just kind of do all of the gits who are just cut out and add to a base. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will come along quite quickly with another video on Zarbag's gits.